Time to measure space with squares. Whoa, this chalkboard's blank.
Let's make a game zone. How big is this space?
Good question. Let's tile it right.
Area equals the space inside a shape. Unit square equals a tiny 1x1 square we measure with. Tiling equals covering with no gaps or overlaps. Square unit equals what we count when we tile.
I'll measure the space with these tiles. Each one is 1 foot by 1 foot. See? No gaps, no overlaps, just right. 3 rows times 4 tiles equals 12 square feet.
Let's cover this board with square cards. Predict. Will we need more than 10?
2 rows times 5 cards equals 10 square cards.
3 rows of 6. How many in total?
18 square inches.
4 times 7. 28 square feet.
We're using a tiling strategy. When we lay down rows and count, we multiply. Rows times columns equals area.
That's how we tile it right. Wait! I stacked 2. That's overlapping. Tile should be flat. No gaps, no stacks. Let's recap. Area tells us how much space. Use unit squares to tile it. Count rows and columns, then multiply.
You measured like a math master.
Next up, finding area without seeing the tiles.